Welcome to Singapore, a dynamic city-state known for its stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and diverse attractions. Join us for an unforgettable 5 days and 4 nights tour as we explore the best that Singapore has to offer. Day 1. Arrival in Singapore and Marina Bay Sands. Upon arrival at Changi Airport, you'll be warmly greeted and transferred to your hotel. After check-in, we kick off our adventure with a visit to Marina Bay Sands. Marvel at the panoramic views from the Sky Park observation deck and take a leisurely stroll along the Marina Bay waterfront promenade. End the day with a spectacular light and water show at the Marina Bay Sands. Day 2. Gardens by the Bay and Chinatown. Start your day with a visit to the iconic Gardens by the Bay. Explore the futuristic Supertree Grove and the stunning Flower Dome and Cloud Forest conservatories. In the afternoon, head to Chinatown, where you can immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage, visit the Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, and explore the bustling Chinatown street market. Day 3. Sentosa Island Adventures. Today, we spend the day at Sentosa Island, a heaven of fun and excitement. Visit Universal Studios Singapore for thrilling rides and attractions. Relax on the sandy shores of Palawan Beach and take a ride on the Sentosa cable car for breathtaking views of the island. In the evening, enjoy the Wings of Time show, a mesmerizing nighttime spectacular of water, laser, and fire effects. Day 4. Singapore Zoo and Night Safari. Begin your day with a visit to the award-winning Singapore Zoo. Discover a wide variety of animals in their naturalistic habitats and catch the entertaining animal shows. In the evening, experience the Night Safari, the world's first nocturnal wildlife park. Embark on a tram ride and explore walking trails to see nocturnal animals in their natural environment. Day 5. Little India and Departure. On our final day, we visit Little India, a vibrant district known for its colorful streets, aromatic spices, and beautiful temples. Explore the Sri Veeramakaliamman temple and shop for souvenirs at the bustling Little India arcade. After a morning of exploration, it's time to bid farewell to Singapore. You will be transferred to the airport for your onward journey, taking with you wonderful memories of this amazing city. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Singapore. From its iconic landmarks and lush gardens to its thrilling attractions and rich cultural experiences, Singapore offers something for every traveler.
Book your tour with TripBibo and create your memories in this vibrant city. For more details and bookings, visit our website www.tripbibo.com or call us at 801-791-9160. See you in Singapore.